Question 3. Diagram on the right shows sector EOF with center O. Given OG is 4 cm, so this is 4 cm, OE is 5 cm. Find the value of theta in radians. Alright. Okay, so here this is a right angle triangle, so we can label this. This is the hypotenuse, this will be the adjacent, and this will be the opposite. Okay, if this is our theta. Right. So now we have the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So we can use the formula cos. So we say cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So you want to find theta, you have to do shift cos 4 over 5. Okay, because this is cos theta. When you bring the cos over the other side, it will become shift cos. Right. Now we just take the calculator. Make sure your angle is in radians. So in this calculator, I can just use this button. Okay, radians. But your calculator will be a bit different. You can just switch it to radians, and then you can shift cos 4 over 5. So this is our answer in radians. 0.6435 radians. Right. Then B. The perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so now we need to find the lengths of this plus this plus this. Okay, so we know the radius is 5. So this is your sector, so this is 5 cm. Therefore, this will also be 5 from O to F. So if O to F is 5 and O to G is 4, therefore this one will be 1 cm lah. Okay, one done. Now we need to find the rest. So we have this length. We need to find this length. So this one you just use Pythagoras theorem can. You have hypotenuse A and B. So what we can do is A square plus B square equals to C square. So one of the A is 4 square. And then the B will be this length, which is EG square. And C has to be the hypotenuse, the longest side. So C is 5 square. Therefore, EG will be 3 cm. Okay, this one you solve your hypotenuse, you make EG the subject, you will get 3. Okay, actually these numbers you can just memorize. The Pythagorean triplets. So if you have 4, this one will be 3, this one will be 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, if your hypotenuse is 5, this is 4, this one will be 3 lah. Right, so EG is 3 cm. So now that we've got these two, the last thing we need to find is EF to complete the perimeter. Right, so EF is the arc length. So we use S equals to R theta. So EF equals to radius. Radius is 5. Okay, this is our sector. So you must always take 5. And theta we found earlier to be 0.6435. So this is 3.2175 cm. 3.7125 cm. So you want to find the perimeter. We just add all of this lah. 1 plus 3 plus 3.2175, which gives us 7.2175 cm. That's it. Perimeter.